Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. River Oaks is one of the largest residential neighborhoods in north-central Oakville, known for its wide streets, parks, schools, and family-focused design. Much of the area seen here was developed during the late 1990s and early 2000s during a major period of growth in Oakville. The neighborhood is built around quiet residential streets, walking trails, and green spaces that connect many parts of the community together. This section of River Oaks is generally bounded by Neyagawa Blvd, River Glen Boulevard, Town Boulevard, and River Oaks Boulevard. The area has a suburban layout with detached homes, townhouses, schools, playgrounds, and small commercial areas, all placed within a short distance of one another. It was designed to give residents access to daily services without needing to travel far across town. One of the defining features of River Oaks is its large amount of parkland and open space. Walking paths weave through the neighborhood, linking residential streets to parks, ponds, sports fields, and wooded areas. During the warmer months, these trails are heavily used by walkers, cyclists, runners, and families. The network of green space helps separate the neighborhood from the busier roads surrounding it. River Oaks Community Center has long been one of the major gathering places in this part of Oakville. The facility includes pools, fitness areas, sports courts, and recreation programs that serve residents of all ages. Nearby schools and sports fields also help make this neighborhood active throughout the year, especially on weekends when youth sports programs fill the parks and parking lots. The homes in River Oaks reflect the rapid growth Oakville experienced as more families moved west from Toronto and Mississauga, looking for larger homes and quieter neighborhoods. Most homes here are modern by Oakville standards, with brick exteriors, attached garages, and tree-lined streets. Over time, the area has matured as young trees planted during construction have grown into a more established urban canopy. Like much of Oakville, River Oaks balances suburban growth with preserved natural areas. Stormwater ponds, small creeks, and protected green corridors help manage development while also creating habitat for birds and wildlife. These natural features give the neighborhood a quieter feel compared to denser urban areas found closer to downtown Toronto. Oakville itself is located along the northern shore of Lake Ontario and sits between the cities of Toronto and Hamilton. It has grown into one of the most desirable communities in the region, known for its high quality of life, strong economy, and scenic waterfront. Oakville's history dates back to the early 1800s. It was founded in 1827 by Colonel William Chisholm, who developed the area into a busy shipbuilding and trading port. Its location on Lake Ontario allowed it to become an important hub for timber and grain shipments during the 19th century. As transportation methods changed, Oakville gradually shifted away from shipbuilding and toward manufacturing and residential development. By the mid-20th century, it had become part of the growing suburban ring around Toronto. Today, Oakville is a thriving town with a population of over 200,000 people. Oakville is often recognized for its strong local economy. It is home to a mix of corporate offices, small businesses, and manufacturing facilities. The town also benefits from its proximity to major highways and rail lines, which connect it easily to the rest of southern Ontario. One of Oakville's biggest draws is its waterfront. The town features several parks and harbors along Lake Ontario, including Bronte Harbour and Oakville Harbour. These areas offer walking trails, marinas, and views of the lake that attract both residents and visitors throughout the year. Downtown Oakville, often referred to as Old Oakville, is another highlight. This area features historic buildings, boutique shops, restaurants, and cafes. The streets are walkable and well-maintained, creating a welcoming environment that blends history with modern amenities. Oakville is also known for its extensive park system. With hundreds of parks and kilometers of trails, there are many opportunities for outdoor activities. The town places a strong emphasis on preserving natural areas, including creeks, forests, and shoreline spaces. Thanks for watching!